Another round of controversies gripping the Universal Service Fund, USF, which will now have to state who supervised the shortlisting of persons who applied for the position of Chief Executive Officer. The directive will be given by Parliament's Public Administration Appropriations Committee, PAAC, which has been scrutinizing the operations of the agency. It follows news that the former CEO of the state entity, which seeks to expand internet access across Jamaica, did not meet the qualifications. TVJ's Andrea Chisholm picks up that story.
The PAAC got a list of 24 persons on Wednesday who were not shortlisted for the post of CEO at the Universal Service Fund, USF. Some candidates had master's degree in business administration, science, computer-based management information system, technology policy, aeronautics and astronautics, marketing management, and actuarial science. Others had PhDs in information science and business administration. But in the end, it was Camille Buchanan, a former JLP councillor, who was selected. When she started the job, she had no master's or bachelor's degree, only certificates. She also had 20 years of experience in business and served as director and CEO of Caymanstrack Limited for 3 years. PAAC member Michael Stewart reacted.
When one looks at the qualifications presented here, and for a board to have selected the least qualified persons, it calls into question the judgment and competence of the board.
So the committee chaired by Dr. Wickham McNeil will be writing to the board of the Universal Service Fund, USF, to find out
as to who supervised on a board level the shortlisting and made the decisions brief on the entire procedure and how they arrived at their decision given the information that we have.
For him, due diligence and accountability are important. So if the report from the USF board is unsatisfactory,
one of our recommendations must be to ask that the board chairman should resign.
I don't believe that that's within our remit, and we should really send it back to the Parliament for the Parliament to make a determination as to what it will do in those circumstances.
When questioned about the qualification of the former USF CEO in September, USF Board Chairman Robert Lawrence said they wanted someone who would market and push the work of the entity.
The board got a job to do, and we did it how we see best. I don't think anyone here can contest that USF is not known and that the sites are not now being used.
PAAC member Leslie Campbell recalled that discussion.
And so they wanted a shift in focus, and hence they decided on a certain path.
But Member Campbell, if that was the case, then send out an advertisement that reflects that.
The PAAC will therefore recommend that the permanent secretary in the ministry is reintegrated into the hiring of persons at the USF. Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.